Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Winter's officially here, and while that means cozy sweaters and hot chocolate, it also means some seriously harsh conditions for our cars. Ice, snow, and freezing temperatures can really take a toll on your vehicle if you're not prepared. But don't worry, I've got you back. Today, we'll be going through 5 essential maintenance tips to make sure your car stays safe and reliable all winter long. Let's get right into it. First up, let's talk about your battery. The cold weather is a battery's worst enemy. It reduces its cranking power, so a weak battery that worked just fine in the summer might leave you stranded on a frosty morning. The last thing you want is your car refusing to start when you're already running late. If it's old or showing signs of weakness, it's a smart move to replace it. Next, number 2, check your tires. This one is non-negotiable for winter safety. Your tires are the only thing connecting your car to the road, and when that road is covered in ice or snow, you need all the grip you can get. First, check your tire pressure. Cold air causes the pressure to drop, so you'll need to check it more often in the winter. The correct pressure is usually on a sticker inside your driver's side door. Also, inspect your tread depth. A simple way to do this is with a penny. Stick it into the tread with Lincoln's head upside down. If you can see all of his head, your treads are too worn, and it's time for new tires. For those of you who live in areas with heavy snow, seriously consider investing in a set of dedicated winter tires. They are made from a special rubber compound that stays flexible in the cold and have tread patterns designed to bite into snow and ice. They make a world of difference in your car's handling and stopping ability. Moving on to tip number 3. Top up your fluids. Your car has several important fluids that need to be ready for the cold. The most obvious one is your windshield washer fluid. Swap out your regular fluid for a winter-specific blend that won't freeze. You'll be using it a lot to clear away salt and grime, and you definitely don't want a frozen solid reservoir. Also, check your antifreeze, or coolant. It's crucial for preventing your engine from freezing. Your mechanic can test its effectiveness, or you can use a simple tester from an auto parts store. Make sure the mixture is right for the temperatures in your area. And while you're at it, it's a good time to check your oil. Some people switch to a thinner oil in the winter because it flows better when cold, making it easier for your engine to start. Check your owner's manual for recommendations. Alright, tip number 4 is all about visibility. Check your lights and wipers. Winter days are shorter, and storms can drastically reduce visibility, so you need to see and be seen. Walk around your car and check all your lights, headlights, taillights, brake lights, and turn signals. Replace any bulbs that are out. Salt and dirt can build up on the lenses, so give them a good cleaning too. And don't forget your wiper blades. If they're streaking, chattering, or leaving spots on your windshield, it's time for a new pair. Worn-out wipers are useless against heavy snow or freezing rain. I'd even recommend getting some heavy-duty winter blades that are designed to handle ice and snow buildup. Finally, our 5th tip is to assemble a winter emergency kit for your car. You never know when you might get stuck in a storm or have a breakdown. Having a kit can be a real lifesaver. You should include things like a warm blanket, extra gloves, and a hat. A small shovel, an ice scraper and snow brush, and a bag of sand or cat litter for extra traction if you get stuck. Store it all in a small bag in your trunk, and you'll have a peace of mind all winter. So there you have it, 5 must-do maintenance tips to get your car ready for winter. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more car care tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.